Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Please do not forget to hit your subscribe button, as the red button down below, and turn on your notification, and also leave a like for this video. So today we'll be making Esha, my native soup. So people, I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I did. I hope you did. And also I'm praying and wishing this year is going to be great and lit. We're going to have fun this year. So we're making Esha, and you see the beans we're using is quite different from the regular beans. It's smaller and it's darker and it's harder. So yeah, we're going to soak it. It's my mom that actually made it to me. I'm just taking the shine. So she soaked the beans for about 4 hours. Then now we're going to cook it for about 2 hours. So the beans is hard, that's why we soaked it, and we're doing the outdoor style just to give it some extra something. And it's also Christmas. So we're cooking it so let me go back again. We soaked the beans for 4 hours and we cooked it for 2 hours after soaking. So now we're adding to a pot. We added water, or rather she added water to a pot, and added chili powder and gari, then crayfish. It's almost the same base as the Delta Ogwo soup, just that you add beans to this one and you add that pepper soup spice. So now you stir. Now we're adding the smoked shrimps into this, and you keep stirring so there won't be lumps in it. You stir. So now we're adding that pepper soup spice, Uda, the long black one. It gives it a smell, a nice flavor. So now we've added seasoning. Added seasoning into it, and now we're adding 4 cooking spoons of palm oil. So you stir and you let it boil. So now after we've let the oil cook a little bit, we'll add the beans into it, the cooked beans. So next we'll add the meats, fish, bomo, dried fish. You can use any kind of meat. It's always nicer with dried meat, like bush meat, and bomo. It's always nice. And fish, dried fish. Yeah. So after letting this boil for like 5 minutes, we poured in the starch, potash, native salt, and water mix. You mix it together and you pour it in to help thicken the soup. Like I said, it's same process as Delta Ogwo soup. It's just the beans and the uda you add to it that makes it different. Otherwise, it's the same. So our soup is almost ready. We're just going to leave it for another 5 minutes to 5 to 7 minutes to cook, and yeah, it's ready. Ooh, so you can pair this with boiled yam, boiled plantains, starch. Yeah, starch. So that's it, our native soup. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.